How to copy your story link on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your story link on VK. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click once you're here click on your profile and click view stories, and that's it. Now click the share icon here and then click copy link. Here is it, and that's it, link copied. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.